I reckon we add more colour to that later, but at least I know it's not affecting, it's not, yeah, there's nothing there that can kind of affect the lower sounds. Maybe drop that a bit more. Okay. I mean, with 200 hertz, you kind of want to remove that as much as possible in your general like mix out of everything. You kind of want to bridge between obviously everything in the low scale and everything at a high scale. Just gives it a little gap. That's so you don't really have muddy mixes, because you don't want bleeds. You don't want like sound bleeding into other sounds, because it's just gonna cause a bit of grief for you later on when you try and mix down. So it's kind of nicer to get that out of the way early on. I mean, that's how I work. So this is kind of a shape that I would usually have especially on a kick, tom. Yeah, because obviously you can't see this shape in waves. That's all kind of like more hardware emulation. So yeah, it's nice that I can just show you how that works.